In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix the too many requests error in Outlook Hotmail. This message usually appears when Microsoft temporarily rate limits or security locks your sign-in. The most important step is patience. Wait at least 15 minutes before trying again, and sometimes up to 72 hours. Avoid repeated login attempts because they can extend the lock. When retrying, start with simple fixes. Refresh the login page 5 to 7 times using F5 or FN plus F5. This forces a clean page load and can clear cached error states. If the issue continues, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Go to Settings, Privacy or Privacy and Security, clear browsing data, select cookies and cached files, then restart the browser and try again. Next, disable browser extensions. Ad blockers, privacy tools, and even some password managers can interfere with Microsoft's sign-in scripts. Try logging in with extensions disabled or use an incognito/private window where most extensions are off by default. If you can sign in this way, re-enable extensions later one at a time to find the problematic one. Trying a different network or device can also help. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, use another trusted network, or test a separate phone or computer. This helps determine whether your IP address is temporarily rate limited. If login works on another connection, your main network simply needs time to clear. If the problem continues, avoid rapid retries and check your Microsoft account's security page for suspicious sign-ins. Follow any recommended security actions if something looks unusual. Also, turn off any VPN or proxy service you're using. Many VPN IPs are shared or flagged, which can trigger rate limits, so disabling them during login often resolves the issue. By giving the system time, refreshing the page, clearing cache data, disabling extensions, and switching networks when needed, this error usually resolves on its own. Follow these steps patiently,